It looks like we're extremely close to the Pocket 4 Pro's release, since we have our very first hands-on unboxing video of it. Let's go straight to the point and see what's inside the box. So the gimbal comes in this carrying case as usual. It looks much bigger than the previous ones I've seen, since this model of Pocket 4 has a much bigger body and camera, as you can clearly see from the hands-on video. It looks much cleaner than the previous leaked footage. The handle on the back also has a nice grippy texture that makes it more comfortable to hold, and as you can see, it turns on when you flip the screen in landscape mode. From this view, you can see the new magnetic mount for the fill light and eventually new accessories, but also the additional button that's hidden under the screen. It controls the zoom and it directly switches between the two lenses. There's also a large heatsink on the back of the camera module, and here you can see that texture I was just talking about before. Let's move on to the other accessories in the box. This first one is the ultra-wide lens. There are the microphones and the magnetic clips that can be used to attach them. This is the battery handle that snaps in at the bottom, and it also has a 1/4 thread mount, where the small tripod can be screwed in. This is the magnetic fill light that I mentioned before. It's also adjustable, and it can be folded when the gimbal is stored in this another small pouch that comes with the whole kit. That is actually the creator combo, as you can see here. For this whole kit, we're probably looking at a price over 750 euros, whilst the base combo will probably range between 550 and 650 euros. There's also an even more detailed video that provides a very close look at the details of this new camera. It's the only competitor of the Insta360 Luna that, however, has a killer feature that's missing on the DJI. As you can see here, the whole screen and the buttons are detachable, meaning that it can be fully controlled remotely. The Pocket 4 is actually compatible with the frame tap remote of the new Osmo Mobile 8 Pro, but it's not included in the gimbal itself. It's something completely additional. In the end, the most important factor in the success of the two cameras is the price they're sold at and the availability in the US, which is still a major problem for DJI, that is, however, finding ways to still sell their products in such an important market. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update through the channel's posts, and drop a like if this video was helpful.